Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to share live location with your friends on WhatsApp. So to know how to do that, you need just follow us step by step. First we will go to WhatsApp as you see and we click. You can choose the chat that you want to share with them, your live location, but before that make sure your location is enabled. You will go here to location as you see. After that, here in this page you will find your location off, so you will click here in that sign to enable your location and make it on like this. When you confirm about that, you will go back to WhatsApp. You'll find that shot here. You will click on this sign as you see. After that, in this page you will find this icon of location. You will click here as you see and you will enter. Then here in this page they will appear your location, and after that you will go to click here on share live location. When you click here you will find members in this chat will see your location in real time. This feature shares your location for the duration you choose. Even if you are not using the app, you can stop sharing at any time. So this location will share with your friends even if you are not using the app, as you see here. So you will click on continue like this, and you will click here to choose how many time you or how much time you want to share your location live. For example, 8 hours or 1 hour or just 15 minutes. So for example, we will choose 8 hours, and you can add a comment here. For example, like this is my location, and you will click here on this sign, and after that you will share your location with your friend. So that's it. That's how you can share your location with your friends on WhatsApp in that way. So don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.